Hi, I'm Blanca Campbell, the science-based nutritionist, and I'm absolutely passionate about creating health and well-being events for corporate companies. And you might be thinking, what a nutritionist can be talking about? Is it only what to eat and not? No, this is a holistic approach. So I cover all the pillars of the well-being: mental, emotional, physical, spiritual, and of course, nutritional. So what is the mental health? It's about good food, good mood, because we have a first brain, but we have a second brain, gut-brain axis, and they are interconnected. So it's actually 95% of the serotonin, the happy hormone, is created in the gut. And I share amazing step-by-step plans that your employees can take to improve the gut health and remove all the dysbiosis, and then improve their mental health. But of course, it's not only about what you eat, but also what is eating you. So I talk about the emotions, so the pictures that we make in our head and the words that we say to ourselves that then create this energy in motion, which might be negative, like fear and loneliness and lack of motivation. So how can you reprogram your brain, the software? Was emotional part. Now, let's look at the spiritual part. And you might be thinking, spiritual religion. No, spiritual well-being has nothing to do with the religion. Spirit, the soul, the inner master, that intuition, knowing what are we supposed to do here in the life? What is our mission, vision? Why your employees love the job that they do and how they contribute to the society. So this is the spiritual part. And of course, we have exercise. We know that exercise is extremely important, but we need to be realistic. Busy people, busy mom of 2 children doesn't have time to exercise every single day. So I explain how to incorporate exercise into a daily routine, even 5 to 10 minutes. And what is actually good to do? Is it the high intensity interval training? Is it yoga? Which kind of yoga? Is it Pilates? What would be optimal for a perimenopausal woman? And what is optimal for the man that's maybe suffering with misfiring hormones and large prostate, lack of muscle mass? So every session always ends with questions and answers. Every employee, after knowing that I'm totally open, they can ask anything that they want. And usually they feel very comfortable. And now, best part is the nutrition. So yes, food is important. And I talk also about the prevention, because prevention is better than cure. And it is on a variety of topics. So sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, because menopause at the workplace is one of the most wanted presentation in large corporate companies. And then I even provide step-by-step meal plans and many interesting topics. So if you would want to see examples of the presentations, I'm happy to share them with you. If you would want to see the reference letters from the companies where I'm successfully helping, that's also possible. But what would be the best is if you schedule a free discovery call with me and we can chat about your company and what well-being approach you would want to take. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.